guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dee Thompson. Thank you guys so much for joining me again this week. To all my new subscribers, I definitely appreciate you. And all of my ride or dies, thank you for staying and joining in my family. I appreciate you guys so much. So today, if you checked out my thumbnail, you already know I try color. I know. If you are new to my channel, I only rock like 1B, 2, 1, all the black and the really dark browns. Like, I really don't differentiate too much. So I'm here to show that, and I'm stepping outside of my comfort zone to show something that might be a little bit more personal to me. You know, a lot of people say that dark-skinned women can't wear blonde. You're gonna look cray. You're gonna look completely ridiculous, and I just want you guys to know that it's okay to try a color. And if it doesn't work out for you, give it to somebody that you think it will look better on. So this video, I definitely stepped outside of my comfort zone. It might not look like it because I'm on YouTube, but for real, guys. So this color is amazing, and it's by one of my favorite brands. So if you want to see what wig I am rocking, then make sure you stay tuned. So I picked up a wig from the Ziri, the Royal Swiss Lace Sister Wig Collection in the color, what color did I get? FFT Toffee. That's the color. If I can, probably can't get it to but this is the color I got. So it's like an ash brown. So let's go ahead and take it out the box. Okay, so when you take it out the box, it has your standard packaging. So it's like a brown caramel kind of brown, dark at the roots. It might be more of like a 2 or a 4. I'm not quite sure. It just says toffee, so I think it's more of a brown at the root. So I'm going to show you what she looks like on camera. It's like a dark brown at the top, and then she has like blonde. It's blonde. It's like an ash blonde at the bottom. So we're going to try her on and see if I can rock this color. If I can't, she's going to be a part of a giveaway. I'm looking for my scissors, so hold on, let me find my scissors real quick. Oh, there they are on the floor after I've already torn the hair. So the wig has 2 combs, 1 comb in the back, 2 combs by the temporal area, and then this Swiss Lace collection, I reviewed a straight wig from this collection, but this is your perfect lace, perfect hairline wig. So it comes with a middle part. I don't know if you can flip this one yet, but I could flip my the black one that I had in the straight hair into a, but this is basically what it looks like. I'm trying to show y'all how good the lace parting on the hairline is. Is that not amazing? So pretty. First of all, this color is gorgeous. So I can't wait to try it out. Hey guys, so I just cut the lace off and I kind of turned it to the side. This is all I did, was turn it like this, slightly to the side, because I'm actually liking this more as a side part. So this is going to be how I'm going to glue this unit down, is by doing it as a side part. So yeah, she is cute as a side part. Only thing about if flipping your wigs to the side is you won't, this ear over here is going to overlap, but I'm still going to at least glue it down to about right here so I won't have any issues. And I'm gonna show you guys how I do that. So you see where I positioned it, I just take it back a little bit and I'm gonna apply some of my Got To Be Glued spray right along the perimeter of my hair. I've done it the other way before, but this just seems a little bit less messier to me. Now with the freeze spray, you don't want to use too much because then it'll start to drip and then you'll look like a whole crazy person. So don't use too much, just like lightly miss it. And I feel like it's gonna miss my makeup a little bit. Oh well. Now you want to let that part dry, or not dry but get a little tacky. And this is how I do all of mine. And then if you start to get a little drip in your face, even after you like put on your makeup, it shouldn't drip too bad if you sprayed it like I just showed you. But if you do, just kind of catch it and then rub it. So I'm just gonna take some packaging from the pad and just kind of get that to tack a little bit. And and it's getting a little tacky. But this way you can kind of keep your hair from getting too sticky or too involved in what you're trying to do. So I'm going to take it and I'm going to place it where I wanted it to go and stick it into those areas that I applied the glue. Y'all see that? This stuff is just so amazing to me. Like, you definitely, if you're trying to wear wigs nowadays and you don't have spray, I don't know what you're doing in your life. And then all I do after that is go in kind of like around my hairline and pull out those little hairs that come on the unit, because you kind of want to mold them. All right, so it's been about 10 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and let this down and show y'all what it should look like. Shouldn't take long at all to, ooh, child, yes. All right, and you kind of see how it's kind of sticking. I gotta just brush it out. But yes, ma'am, do y'all see that? I'm trying to like get it to focus. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this powder in the Super Stay and I'm gonna go in right in that hairline, just to kind of blend the color all the way up. Y'all see that? If y'all can't tell, like woo, yes, like I'm loving this. All right, so to my final thoughts. Of course, I'm obsessed with this wig. I'm obsessed with the color. The color is amazing. I had minimal shedding, a few tangles, and overall the style is so pretty. Maybe Zero Sis can start making some 13x6 wigs, because I have been seeing those out where you have free range to part, because not everybody likes the middle part, and true, the middle part don't look good on everybody. So I just kind of shifted this to the left, and so that was my only kind of complaint, because I felt like this color and this style looked better with the side part. Now I do rock my middle part sometimes, don't get me wrong, I do like a middle part, but I do feel like this wig looked better tilted to the side. But it was easy to tilt to the side, it was easy to kind of work with, and I showed you guys how I got that those results. So overall, I think this is a bomb wig to add to your stash. I think it's perfect for the change of season, so you might see me rocking it a lot. You might see me rocking this a lot. Let me know what you guys think. Are you gonna try this color? Are you gonna try a different color? Let me know in the comments down below. I hope I gave somebody out there a little confidence to try something different, to step outside of your box. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see my review on the other Zero Sis wigs, I will put that up here so you guys can check it out. And I'll also link it down below, because sometimes when I put the thumbnails up or whatever, they don't ever post all the time. So if there's no video here, then I will link it down below. Thank you guys for joining me this week, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.